Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can customize the screen timeout on your Motorola Razr 40. Maybe you use your screen and your screen blacks out way too soon when you're using it, or well, use it and put it aside for a while, just like it happened just now. And for that to change, we need to go to our settings, and now we want to go to display, and here we want to go to screen timeout. Click on it and you can choose between 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes and 30 minutes. Right now it's set to 1 minute. I like to double that, so we tap on 2 minutes, and then we also have the attentive display. Prevents your screen from turning off if you're looking at it, which sounds very scary first of all. But the attentive display uses the front camera to see if someone is looking at the screen. It works on the device and images are never stored or sent to Motorola. So it's actually a pretty nice feature, so that when you're looking at your phone, the screen doesn't turn off. Even if you've reached your 2 minutes of inactivity. And now if you go back, use your phone as normal and then put it aside, don't touch it for a while, then the display will dim and the screen will lock itself after, well, whatever you've set there. So that's how you can customize the screen timeout on your Motorola Razr 40. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.